Nan. Yeah, I can do more for you if you want. I can do more for you. All right. My guess is off. Alright, yep, you too. Have a good day. That was cool. Going on, man? Yeah. Just riding. Just got it fixed, you feel me?
Huh?
Just said I just got it fixed. Just to let you know I do can still carry too.
Cool.
Alright.
Let me see your face. I don't know who you are.
Understand me? Yeah.
Do I know you? Do I know you?
You look familiar. You graduated Stevens County?
Where you work at? You work at
Sage. I was at Sage.
You got it from Mega Motorsports?
Yeah. Just like the other day. I just got the chain tight and yeah, put some new coolant in it. Just vibing.
Why you didn't get it towed? You can't be on the streets with that.
Yeah. I just come out from right there, valley, riding trail.
Somebody, you got the sheriff behind you, everything.
For real?
Oh yeah.
The share?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, bro.
You got a tag on that thing? Ain't no tag on there. No lights and shit. In the street liquor, man. Where you going?
Yeah.
You got your ID on you?
I do not. I got my phone, that's it. I'll tell you everything, I promise I ain't lying to you.
What's your name and date of birth?
Alright.
First name and last name. Got the GoPro on there and everything.
Yeah, I just got it on there. Yeah, make sure not that shit. I'm probably something.
So basically I can walk around on the pavement then, yeah?
Yeah. So it's only for like 15 minutes, but...
Alright, I work on that building right behind it, but I don't know how to get on the other side.
Yeah, it's got pavement, don't we, mate?
Alright. So. Your police officer said it's alright for me to do this, so...
No, they didn't.
Well, yes, he did. Go speak to your colleague over there.
Who is that?
So you can't tell me I can't if I
this?
ask permission.
You can't. Come on
I
to
asked
the
permission.
pavement.
I
I appreciate
asked,
that,
listen,
but
one
he's
minute,
giving you the
one
wrong
minute.
information.
I've asked for permission. He told me I
can't
can.
do
I need
that.
to get to work. You're making me more
No,
late.
you can't just stay there.
9 check, stop.
It's not the same with you police officers. One's got a rule, the other's got a rule. You all got different
We've all
rules.
got the same
Listen, you
rules.
all
We've all
work
got
for the same job, do you not?
Yeah, we've got
So
the
you all
same
got the same
You're
rules.
not allowed to walk this on the pavement.
Why
like
is that?
You can't come
Why
onto
is
the
that? I've never
pavement
had a
like
problem before.
You can't do that.
Okay. Well, the only way for me to get off the pavement is for me to walk off the pavement. So is there any chance I can get on my way, please? Oh my God. I don't need this. You're making me more late to work. You're already at work. You don't need to worry, do you? I lose my job. You're still getting paid, ain't you?
I'm not the one that's late for work, though. Should have left my
You're
phone
making me late to
there. No, I'm
work.
not. You made yourself
You
late.
are,
You
because you're
didn't allow
talking to me.
enough
Listen,
parking,
I beg one of you lot come over here, please, because your colleague said I can walk here, and now she's stopping me from walking. Your colleague, standing right there, I stopped him and said to him, is there any chance that I can push my bike on the pavement to get over there, because I'm late to work, yeah? He said to me, yes, you can. And now she's stopping me.
Yeah, you can't do it, mate.
Okay, you're not allowed. It's obviously based on.
Then he doesn't know his job
Obviously,
then.
it's
Then he
discretion.
doesn't know his job
It's
then.
a discretion
He
thing,
doesn't know his job then.
No, because it's a discretion thing. So I'm saying. There's certain rules that obviously he's made that decision.
It's too busy here for you to be walking on the pavement. It's not allowed for you to do that anyway. It's too busy here for you to be walking on the pavement. It's not allowed for you to do that anyway. It's too busy here for you to be walking on the pavement. It's not allowed for you to do that anyway.
What's the danger?
What's the danger?
What's the danger? Yeah.
It doesn't matter what the
No,
danger
no, what's the
is.
danger?
You've got a lot of
What's the
people
danger? Because I
coming
see
in here.
people. Yeah, but if I ran out of petrol, what are you going to tell me then? I can't push it on the pavement. I'm not allowed to walk it on the road, am I?
Why not?
Because it's a private area, the reason why I wasn't allowed to come through the first time.
Can't
Or
walk
I
on
wouldn't
the
be pushing it
road.
on there.
No, that's the whole point though, isn't it? Just because you can't come on here doesn't mean you can come on the pavement.
Oh my God, listen, your colleague's telling me I can,
You
yeah?
come over,
So,
please,
if one person's saying one, and another person's saying something, then before you just say, do you know what, my colleague made a mistake, don't do it again, sir. But no, you want to be ignorant. Yeah, so
being
call your
ignorant
colleagues
to you at all.
over. You
I'm
can do
not
what
being
you like.
ignorant to you, sir.
You're
You're
being
not
ignorant.
being
You're being
ignorant
ignorant. You're being ignorant because your
You're
colleague.
ignorant. You're talking
No,
over
because your
me.
colleague told me I asked permission. Yeah, there's a difference if I just done it at my own calling, but I didn't, did I? I asked permission.
I'm telling
I asked
you,
permission.
you
I asked permission. Cool. No, because your colleagues.
No, I
Yeah,
just
sorry.
asked and nobody said that they've given you permission to walk it.
Do you know what? 1 minute. No one said they gave me permission.
Listen, he's
Come
not
with me,
heard
please.
me.
Come with me,
Listen,
please.
come
No,
with
because
me.
I'm really not. I don't
Calm,
need this.
calm.
I don't need this. I'm late to work.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I asked for permission.
Listen.
I asked for permission if I could walk my
Who
bike.
did you ask?
Your colleague's standing right there.
Okay. He shouldn't have given you permission, and I'll speak to him about that. Now, where do you need to get to?
Just there. I'm only going just there.
Listen, walk with your bike slowly and
Was I
quietly.
was doing that.
Okay, but you shouldn't be allowed to do that on the
But
pavement.
I asked
I
for
will go and
permission.
talk.
Yeah,
I will go
because
and
I'm
talk
not
to
having it, and I want his badge number, and I want your badge number because I'm not having none of it.
She's
What do you
doing her
mean?
job.
I'm not saying anything
You
wrong,
know
mate.
what?
She's doing correctly.
You would have been
Don't want you to
held
explain.
for
Don't
30
want you to
seconds.
explain.
Well, then you're
Keep
no
doing your job.
fault.
Do your job. Fucking. Kid, bro. Fucking like. You know what? As well, bro.